We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello friends, myself Professor Bhavina Pandya, lecturer in civil engineering from BVPIT Umrakh, Bardoli. In previous lecture, we learned about 3 aquifer, types of aquifer, confined aquifer, unconfined aquifer and perched aquifer. The detailed study of groundwater. In revision, unconfined aquifer is the one in which water table forms the upper surface of the zone of saturation. A confined aquifer is the one in which groundwater is confined under pressure greater than the atmospheric pressure by overlying relatively impermeable strata. The perched aquifer is a special type of unconfined aquifer. It occurs where groundwater body is separated from the main groundwater by a relatively impermeable stratum of small areal extent. Now, in the screen, we see type of water wells. Open wells divided in 2 parts based on depth, based on type of well. Based on depth, shallow well and deep well. Based on type of well, kacha well, well with impervious lining, well with pervious lining. We can see the figure, shallow well and deep well. Shallow well are those which rest in the top of water bearing strata and draw their supplies from the surrounding materials. Deep well is a well which rests on impermeable layer, mota layer, and draw their supplies from the pervious formation lying below the mota layer. Shallow well with pakka lining. These are the most stable and useful type of well. In a well lined with an impervious lining on its sides, the flow is not radial. The water enters only from the bottom. Well with pervious lining. Such type of wells are suitable in coarse formations. The lining consists of dry bricks on stones with no mortar or binding materials. Due to this, water enters from sides. The flow is therefore radial. Types of tube well: strainer well, cavity well, slotted well. Strainer type tube well. Materials used for strainer: zinc free brass, stainless steel, low carbon steel, high copper steel. You can see the figure. It is the most common type and widely used of the tube well. In this type of tube well, a strainer, which is a special type of wire mesh, is wrapped around the main tube of the well. The main pipe contains bigger holes or slots than the opening of the strainer. A cavity type of tube well consists of a pipe sunk into the ground and resting on the bottom of a strong clay layer. It draws water from the bottom of the well. In the initial stages of pumping, fine sand comes out with water and consequently a cavity is founded at the bottom. The water from the aquifer enters the well pipe through this cavity. Comparison of open well and tube well. Open well. Diameter of well is large 1 to 10 meter. Tube well. Diameter of well is small 5 to 30 centimeter. Open well. Depth is small 2 to 20 meter. Tube well. Depth is large 20 to 500 meter. Open well. The walls of well are made of impervious material like brick or stone. Tube well. A steel pipe with perforation and strainer is used as tube well. Open well. Discharge is about 0.005 cubic. Discharge is less compared to open well in tube well. Open well. The cross-sectional area of flow is large. The cross-section area of flow is small compared to open well. Now steps to increase groundwater. First of all, supply of water for limited period instead of unlimited supply. Second, use of water meter system. Third, construction of check dam and khet talavdi. Fourth, controlling wastage of water by industries. 5. Provision of subsidies for construction works related to artificial recharge. 6. Tree plantation. 7. Crop rotation. 8. Provision of penalty for wastage of water. Natural recharge. First, sandy or permeable soil. Rocky strata with faults. Perennial rivers. Streams. Forest land. Comparatively level with slope. Topography suitable for construction of artificial recharge structure. This is the favorable condition for natural recharge. Now causes of reduces in artificial recharge. First, leaving of irrigation in canals. Insufficient in irregular rainfall. Construction of flood control structure. Deforestation. Reduction in agricultural land. Development of urban area which reduces open land for recharge. Method of artificial recharge. First, spreading method, injection method, and induced recharge method. Injection method, there are three types: well, bores, galleries. Spreading method, first of flooding method, basin method, on-line channels, natural channel, filled pit, percolation tank, ponds, check dam. Purpose of artificial recharge: to increase fertility of soil, to improve quality of existing groundwater by recharge of fresh water, to store water in the ground for use during summer. It helps to solve the problem of disposal of water. Factors affecting selection: topography of the catchment area, slope of area, type of soil, black, sandy or rocky, time required for recharging, cost of recharge, future uses of land to be recharged.